Drop the fucking gun, man. 81 shots fired. 20 George 81.
Go ahead.
They got shots fired. Suspect went back into the building. There's a female inside with him.
Houston, Texas. On May 4, 2024, Houston police officers were dispatched to a suspicious person with a weapon call at a residence at 722 Country Place Drive. While en route, the officers were given the description and location of the suspect and notified that he had possibly fired a handgun outside his residence. Upon arriving on scene, the officers observed the suspect, 32-year-old Jesus Pedraza, sitting in a lawn chair outside an open garage.
Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out. Nah, hey. Get out. Hey, stop, dude.
The police officers approach a suspect, instructing him to keep his hands visible and to stay calm. The suspect is non-compliant, leading to repeated and urgent commands from the officers to drop his weapon.
Hey, fucking stop. Drop the fucking gun, dude. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the fucking gun, dude.
The suspect is non-compliant, leading to repeated and urgent commands from the officers to drop his weapon.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun, dude! Drop the fucking gun, man! Drop the fucking gun!
Shots are fired, causing the suspect to retreat into a building where a female is present, heightening the situation's urgency.
20 George 81.
Officers communicate the critical situation over their radios, requesting additional support.
Shots fired. Suspect went back into the building. There's a female inside with him.
Dispatch, shots fired, 752. Take it as first this way. And I have the units in our code 1. The air is still closed.
After Pedraza retreated into the residence, officers set up a perimeter around the exterior, and phone contact was made with Pedraza and his mother, who were inside the residence.
Mi hijo estaba en el garage, señor.
Sí, yo entiendo, señora, pero...
Desde ayer él estaba diciendo que iban a llegar los marcianos.
The suspect speaks about his religious beliefs and higher purpose, showing signs of mental distress.
Así que él me iba a proteger, por eso estaba sentado en el garage afuera.
Pues yo entiendo, señora, pero queremos saber que usted está bien.
If he doesn't have any weapons in the bathroom,
Estoy bien,
come down and open
estoy bien. Lo que tenemos miedo es de que
you just need her to come down, open
Okay,
the garage door.
si no quiere salir está bien, señora, pero de perdido puede venir para abajo para abrir la puerta y nosotros entramos y usted puede estar ahí cuando nosotros entremos también.
Oye, amigo.
espérame tantito.
Officers consistently assure the suspect they are not there to harm him or his mother, emphasizing their goal of providing medical help.
Please, man. I know a lot of things. I know there are robots, man. I know that getting children through time. And it's hard, man. It's amazing.
Look, man. Nobody's gonna hurt your mom and nobody's gonna hurt you, okay? But in order for us to get you the help, we need to go inside.
You did not hurt my mother. I love you, dude. I love you, man.
Okay, then tell her to come and open the door, man. So we can.
But dude, who are you, man? What's your name, man?
My name's
I'm just
Felipe.
trying to get to know you, man.
No, my name's Felipe, man.
Tell him you guys.
Felipe.
Sergeant.
Yeah.
Here.
Felipe with Bettis?
Nah, man.
Hey, tell him you also have
What's
two
the
sergeants
reason?
out here that's concerned about it.
Hey, I got two supervisors out here, man. I got two sergeants right now that are concerned about your well-being.
Pedraza's mother agreed to open the front door of the residence and place Pedraza's gun outside on the front porch. She then left the door open, and officers were able to take Pedraza into custody without further incident.
HFD, move up. I'm grabbing him from you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pedraza was transported to a local hospital where he was treated for non-life-threatening gunshot wounds. He was then taken to the Joint Processing Center in Harris County Jail. Pedraza is charged with 3 counts of aggravated assault against a public servant in the 184th State District Court.